Hi Pangit, hi to the future Mrs. Irabon, and hello to the super friends. Alam ko naman na aside from our wedding, this is one of your wishes na to have a proper shower party before the big day. So we are lucky enough to have friends like the super friends and of course Christine and Rachel, who all pitched in to make this possible. So this is a labor of love and hard work. So I hope you do enjoy the tonight and the program that they have prepared for you. No? So ako rin naman, wala rin naman akong hiniling at ginawa kundi mapasaya ka, which is I think ganun din ang mga kaibigan natin, and including Rachel, your sister. No? So my gift is just a simple gift para magkaroon ka ng long-lasting memories of this event of tonight, and I hope you get everything in pictures and in videos. And ayun, I'm looking forward to April 1, mahal. So I'll see you then. See you soon. I love you, baby. Enjoy the night. I love you so much, Babo.